Reliability, standards, assurance, consistency, confidence, peace of mind. For Johnson & Johnson MedTech, it means all these things and more. J&J employees take great pride in delivering the highest quality products and services possible while constantly striving to learn and improve. It's at the core of who we are, what we stand for, and everything we do in every product and service we deliver. We exceed industry requirements and expectations and hold ourselves to the highest standards. This commitment to quality starts with our instrument design. Our design process starts with identifying unmet needs and developing a deep understanding of current clinical practices. Those needs are then translated into hundreds of design outputs. Our dedicated R&D engineers commit over 15,000 hours to the design process and perform over 70 rigorous tests against design requirements for each product designed. They work closely together to ensure that not only are the instruments rigorously tested, but they're made to perform reliably with the capital equipment that powers them. For example, one of our energy generators has over 3.5 million lines of code, all working to create optimal device interaction with tissue, ultimately using thousands of devices to complete over 600,000 transections and hundreds of vessels to ensure the devices perform with consistent, reliable results. We use an outcome-based approach to design that's grounded in verification, testing, systematic observation, and documentation. Designs are optimized for performance, safety, and quality using sophisticated engineering tools, from empirical test to multi-physics finite element simulation. During this stage, our quality engineers conduct a plethora of tests against quality standards from the perspective of the patient and surgeon. Extensive reliability testing is completed for all products in the energy portfolio, demonstrating exceptional reliability even in the most demanding conditions, over hundreds of activations, as well as challenging transportation conditions. Today, we invest millions of dollars in the design of our products and conduct production tests against various different performance requirements to provide surgeons and hospital administrators confidence that the J&J MedTech devices they use perform reliably and consistently. Every energy device is designed with surgical efficacy and patient safety as top considerations. Delivering on the promise of quality and better surgery is the focus of the development testing stage of our quality management system. We are committed to continually seeking to make improvements that can make a difference to our customers and patients without sacrificing quality or safety. During our manufacturing processes, we inline test every advanced energy device before it is packaged to ensure performance for customers. We utilize state-of-the-art vision systems and up to 40 inline checks to verify each individual product meets our rigorous standards. Once packaged, there are quality checks in place for sterilization before they are sold. Our comprehensive quality management system follows a product from design process to development testing, to material science, to manufacturing quality, to robust post-market surveillance once devices are available in the marketplace. Understanding quality drivers across the manufacturing process and the importance of device traceability are hallmarks of the Ethicon quality process. We have a two-pronged approach to customer feedback, responding to reported customer concerns and proactively improving product performance. This comprehensive process allows us to identify opportunities to improve patient safety and customer satisfaction while proactively addressing potential product complaints or adverse events. Opportunities to improve products identified by this approach end up in product improvement design changes, which are regularly implemented in our products. Using this valuable feedback, we work tirelessly to improve our products and fulfill our commitment to quality and the high standards we've come to be known for. The value of quality can never be underestimated. The risks for the patient, the surgeon, and the hospital are far too great. With Johnson & Johnson MedTech, you have a trusted partner who follows comprehensive quality processes and a commitment to continually evolve and improve for everyone we serve, especially the patients. That's not only quality delivered, That's quality you can count on.